Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live in a building that functions like a tree, absorbing carbon and purifying air? What if this building could help tackle the pressing issue of climate change and reduce the carbon footprint of our built environment? Welcome to our channel Money Bills, where we bring you the latest in luxury and innovation. Today we are exploring the urban Sequoia building concept by Skidmore, Owings and Merrill (SOM) and how it is changing the way we think about buildings. In this video, we will dive into the details of this revolutionary and understand how it works. We will also learn about the ways in which the urban Sequoia concept could transform our cities and reduce the impact of climate change. If that sounds interesting, let's delve right into the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Money Bills for more exciting content on luxury and innovation. This planet is in the midst of a serious climate crisis, and the building industry is a major contributor, accounting for nearly 40% of global carbon emissions. In response to this challenge, Skidmore, Owings and Merrill has proposed a radical solution, the urban Sequoia building. This innovative concept transforms the built environment into a network of carbon-absorbing structures that function like trees, cleaning the air and regenerating the environment. Unveiled at COP26 in Glasgow, the urban Sequoia building prototype has the potential to sequester as much as 1,000 tons of carbon per year, the equivalent of the carbon absorbed by 48,500 trees. This captured carbon can be used in a variety of industrial applications, creating a new carbon removal economy. If all cities around the world adopted this concept, the built environment could remove up to 1.6 billion tons of carbon from the atmosphere each year. SOM's Urban Sequoia proposal incorporates cutting-edge technology and the latest innovations in sustainable design. The building features carbon-sequestering materials like timber and bioconcrete, which significantly reduce embodied carbon emissions. It also optimizes floor slabs, raises ceiling heights, and decreases material use, while its core and roof are equipped with direct air capture technology to store captured carbon for industrial use. The building is designed to absorb 300% of the carbon emitted during its construction and operation over its 100-year lifespan. So come with us on a journey into the world of urban sequoias and discover how these groundbreaking buildings are poised to become the solution to the climate crisis. The vision of SOM, the company behind Urban Sequoia. SOM, Skidmore, Owings and Merrill, is a visionary architecture and engineering firm that has proposed a groundbreaking design for a new kind of a building called Urban Sequoia. This building is designed to absorb more carbon emissions than it emits and brings together the best of sustainable materials and emerging technologies to create a carbon-absorbing network in cities around the world. Creating a carbon-absorbing network. SOM aims to position itself as a key player in bringing the building industry, research, and emerging technologies together to create a network of urban sequoias. By utilizing direct air capture, carbon capture and storage, and biobricks, the project intends to store, absorb, and exchange carbon among different cities, promoting sustainable growth. The advantages of modular and precast construction. The building would be constructed using precast, modular construction, and locally sourced natural materials, making the construction process faster and more efficient. With better control over quality and waste reduction, this approach provides lower costs and higher accuracy, making it a practical and innovative solution for future buildings. A breakthrough in carbon capture technology. The design of Urban Sequoia shows the potential for new technologies such as carbon capture and storage to be transformed, scaled, and made more impactful in the building industry. With its focus on sustainability and efficiency, the Urban Sequoia project represents a breakthrough in the fight against the climate crisis and a step towards a greener future for all of us. Advantages of the Urban Sequoia concept. The urban Sequoia building concept offers numerous benefits in terms of fighting the climate crisis and reducing carbon emissions. One of its unique features is that it decreases upfront carbon emissions by 70% during construction, and it reaches 100% reduction in whole life carbon in just the first 5 years. In addition, the design features optimized floor slabs, higher ceiling heights, reduced material use, and air capturing sky gardens, making these buildings not only energy efficient but also environmentally friendly. The urban Sequoia concept can be applied to any building type of any size in any location, making it a scalable and sustainable solution for the future. The use of natural materials like biobrick, hempcrete, timber, and biocrete reduces the carbon impact of construction by 50% compared to traditional concrete and steel. Not only does this improve sustainability and environment friendliness, but it also creates a carbon removal economy by converting the biomass and algae facades into biofuel and biomaterials. Urban Sequoia Now, a step forward. The Urban Sequoia Now is the latest and advanced version of the Urban Sequoia concept proposed by Skidmore, Owings and Merrill. SOM presented this concept at the United Nations Climate Change Conference COP27 with the goal of going beyond net zero carbon. Adopting carbon capture in NYC landlord community. The city of New York is leading the way in the global fight against the climate crisis. As part of the commitment, Local Law 97 demands larger buildings to significantly reduce their carbon footprint by a 40% by 2020 and 80% by 2050, with penalties for those who fail to meet these targets starting next year. To avoid these penalties, landlords are exploring innovative solutions such as carbon capture. A prime example of this is the Grand Tier in Manhattan, which has installed CarbonQuest's carbon capture system to reduce carbon dioxide emissions from the building's natural gas boilers. The system has helped the property avoid hefty annual fines, estimated at $100,000, and can be adapted to any building type. This adoption of carbon capture technology underscores the proactive steps taken by the NYC landlords to meet the requirements of the local law and contribute to the global effort to combat climate change. The UK government has committed £27.5 million to support cities in transitioning to net zero emissions by 2050. The architecture firms such as Grimshaw, Perkins & Will, and Foster Plus Partners have signed the Net Zero Carbon Buildings Commitment. However, reducing carbon footprints is not limited to just buildings. The COP26 summit, the largest international gathering on climate action, emitted an estimated 102,500 tons of C02E, highlighting the urgent need of sustainable events as well. These initiatives showcase the efforts by individuals, organizations, and governments towards a more sustainable future. Urban Sequoia, a revolutionary solution to tackle climate change. The world is grappling with a dire climate crisis, and innovative solutions are vital to overcome it. To tackle this challenge, the built environment must play a role in absorbing carbon. The Urban Sequoia concept offers a solution to this channel, transforming the built environment into a tool to combat climate change. In conclusion, the Urban Sequoia concept is a game changer in the fight against global warming. It brings us closer to a low carbon future and offers hope in the global efforts to combat the climate crisis. The time is to act now, and we hope to see the Urban Sequoia concept become a reality in cities worldwide. The potential of Urban Sequoia. The future of Urban Sequoia holds great promise in addressing the climate crisis. It is a solution, not just a building concept, and its impact is significant. The Urban Sequoia design and technology can be applied to any structure, big or small, anywhere in the world, utilizing local skills and materials to minimize embodied carbon emissions. This innovative approach to sustainable design offers the potential to transform the built environment into a network that captures carbon, cleans the air, and restores the environment. Urban Sequoia brings together the latest advances in sustainable design and technology, offering a glimpse into a future of environmentally responsible structures. The future of urban Sequoia is a bright one, full of potential to positively impact our planet. We hope you enjoyed our deep dive into the urban Sequoia concept, a game changer in the fight against climate change. With its potential to transform the built environment into a network for absorbing carbon, the urban Sequoia represents a hopeful future where we can find innovative solutions to tackle the climate crisis. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments, what do you think of this concept? Do you believe it can become a reality in cities around the world? What do you think are some of the biggest challenges to realizing this vision? We'd love to hear your thoughts and engage in a conversation with you. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content on the cutting edge of luxury, technology, and design. Stay tuned for more.